I am Shalom, and distinguished ladies and gentlemen, friends of the media, to really come out with a strategy as to how we can prepare the youth of our state.
Please remember, and again I'm speaking like an old man to you, but I'm speaking with a bit of experience I've had in my life, that things move on. Things move on. You give it your shot, you give it your best. Sometimes it's meant for you, sometimes it's not. I lost my 2004 election and I cried for 2 months. And I could not believe that I had embarrassed my father. And I must connect back to the people. And I must always be in touch with them. They still give me a phone call because the number that I had in 2004 is the same number I have now after 22 years. Because I told myself that I want to serve the people. I told myself that I want to be able to make a difference in people's lives. I told myself that even one person, if I can help, it'll give me a sense of satisfaction. And that is what we want to change. We bring in the ecosystem. Sorry, I took too much of time, but the purpose I'm trying to tell you this is that it's not that we're doing this in a one kind of just angle. I mean, somebody may just think that, oh yeah, suddenly the CM just woke up and he wants to do this. No, it's a system we're creating in every level. Whether it's an entrepreneurship ecosystem, whether it's a musician's ecosystem, whether it's a sports ecosystem, whether it's for competitive exams ecosystem. The same formula, the same. I want to listen, I want to understand, and I want to do things. So you have to tell me. And again, everything will not be perfect, please remember. Nothing is perfect. There will always be room for improvement. There will always be areas without. Create the ecosystem, provide the platform, give the opportunity and all the support, and let's make this happen. Wishing you all the very best for the future. May God bless each and every one of you, and may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya.